Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be joining two different videos together in one frame and we'll be playing two different things. So that is the concept. So for this one we'll be using a different app. This is quite very easy. We'll be using this app, Video College. In order for you to get this app, you go to your Play Store, we'll go there together. For those of you using Android, if you're using iPhone, the same thing. Type the video layout, sorry, yeah, and there it is, already installed in my phone. This, you install it, and after installation is done, we open it. Then you can use this also for photos. If you click this, you see you have multiple ways of joining videos. Like here you can join 5 videos, 4 videos, 3 videos, 6 videos. Well, today is just 2 videos, I promise. So it's 2 videos we're going to do. The time is also important. Both videos need to have the same time. So if one video time is longer than that one, you have to make them equal. You need to cut it. All the editing tools are here. Now for this video, if we go to downloads, I have some videos downloaded here. We're going to use this cat video number 1, and that's sheep video number 2, and then you click, and this doesn't need any editing because the times are the same. But in case you have a video that you want to join, if you click the scissors sign there, right, see the times are here, so you can drag this bar to reduce it or to make them the same. Yeah, and then you press the down arrow key, it goes down. And that is it. And when you're done, the tick sign on the top right corner, you press that. You can select any resolution you want, but I'll leave mine for 720, and done. Okay, there we go, and we have our video. Let's play our video. So that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.